Chuck.
What are we doing?
I'm just gonna ask you a question.
Okay, fine.
So-
Are you taping? Is that it?
Yeah,
Oh, this is an interview. Okay.
it's an interview.
All right.
So, what I really want to know from you, this is your second time at boot camp. Was it useful to come a second time?
Absolutely. I wouldn't have as much confidence as I have now if I didn't come for the second time. Because you do a lot in between, and if you prep enough when you get here, you then build on that rather than coming in cold. And then when you do actually do the Baltimore Chops live, and you do what you do, and then you compare it to what Adrian is doing, you gain insight, which you are able to build on.
So, in addition to the stuff you already had at home, doing this stuff live was useful for you?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. Awesome.
I don't think you can progress without it, because you can keep, I think most people, including myself, make the same mistake over and over again, even though I write it down and say, don't do this, don't do that. When you're live, you make the same mistake.
Yeah.
It's mistakes. Now, when you do the same thing, and then Adrian goes through and in his casual, down-to-earth style says, well, I look at it this way, I do this, this, and this. You go, I can do that. Why didn't I look at it that way? I read that's how to do it. Now I see how it. So going through it, you build on it, but you have to experience it. You have to do enough of them so that when you're comparing to what Adrian does, you're able to say, okay, here's where I went wrong and here's where I went right. And it's not a right or wrong, it's just, here's one that went, here's one that didn't.
Yeah.
Here's how you got out at a small loss, and here's how you let one run.
I love it.
In fact, Mark gave a very good comment one time. He says, you know, if you need 50-50 to win, and you start taking small gains along with your small losses, now you need 80 or 90% just to break even. You gotta let your winners run. So
I love it.